This is DAI, an AI data analyst for business teams. The pitch is simple. Ask your business data anything. Here's the idea. You ask a question in plain English, it writes the SQL and answers with real results. It plugs into the tools you already use: Postgres, uploads, your ERP exports. Chat with your data, auto-generated KPIs, AI findings that surface duplicates and dead stock, read only by default, so it never touches production. Instant setup and full lineage. Every answer shows the SQL behind it. 3 steps: connect, ask, decide. But the best way to understand it is to use it. Let's walk through a real case. No sign-up required. This is the free assessment. Drop in your own inventory spreadsheet, CSV or Excel, or run a sample. Meet Acme Industrial, a fastener and hydraulics distributor, 260 products, years of messy data, no setup. It reads the file, maps the columns, runs the analysis. There it is. $1.2 million in working capital. Trapped. 262 rows scanned, 12 columns auto-mapped, 5 duplicate pairs, 40 dead stock rows. It read the mess for you, your ERP's cryptic headers mapped automatically. Here are the duplicates. Click any one for the proof. Same part number, 2 different codes. And here's the part nobody tells you. That dead stock isn't just frozen cash. You're paying to hold it. About $300,000 a year to store what you're not selling. Every number traces back to the row. No black box. Export it all as a spreadsheet or share it. 1 click, a link for your CFO, no login. And it's a real product, not a slide. This is live chat on a real database. Ask in plain English. Real results. And the exact read-only SQL it ran shown right here. Nothing hidden. And the auto-generated dashboard, the KP is a distributor actually cares about. Revenue, inventory value, dead stock, customers churning, computed live with a monthly trend. And that same chat is right here on the side. Ask anything without leaving the page. DAI, the data analyst for the millions of businesses that can't hire one. Dashboards show you the numbers you asked for. DAI shows you the ones you didn't. Drop your spreadsheet in and see what your data's been hiding.